Hi there. This video will provide a brief tutorial on creating a UChicago IMLeagues account. IMLeagues is the registration site for all UChicago intramural activities, as well as some select events offered through the Department of Recreation and Fitness. In order to get started, we're going to open a new web browser. I'm using Google Chrome, although any web browser should work. And in the search bar, we're going to type in our address, which is www.imleagues.com/UChicago. Once the page loads, it's going to take us to our IMLeagues homepage. And this is where we'll find all current intramural activities being offered, and where we'll come back to register for certain events once we've created our account. In order to create our account, though, we're going to go to the top of the page, and in the top right corner, we're going to choose Create Account. Once on the registration page, the first thing we want to do is make sure that in the first text box that it's automatically populated with the University of Chicago. If it is not, just choose the drop-down menu, find University of Chicago, and select it. We're going to then put in our first and last name. And then the email address we want to associate with this account. We recommend that if you have a valid University of Chicago email address, that you use that. And we're then going to choose a password that we're going to remember and type it in next. It's going to then ask us for our status. And this is where you'll choose your year in school, or if you're a grad student, faculty, staff, or alumnus. It'll then ask for our graduation year, which you can enter. If you don't have a graduation year, leaving none is perfectly fine. We are required to put in our birthday. Please put in your actual birthday here. Maybe we'll wish you a happy birthday when the time comes. And then it's going to next it's going to ask us to choose what gender we choose to play as. And we have the option, it's not the right box. We have the option of male, female, or non-binary. Please note, if you choose non-binary, you're still going to have to designate if you prefer to play in men's or women's leagues, but not to worry. Pretty much anyone can play in any league. It's then going to ask us the security question to make sure we're not a bot. We want to enter exactly how we see it here. You'll probably have a different security password. And then we're going to choose Create Account. This is telling me I've already created an account with this address, which I have, but it should take you to a page that looks like this and let you know that the email you chose that you set up has been sent an email with a confirmation link. So then we want to find that email, if possible. And we now have 24 hours to click on this link and activate our account. We're going to go ahead and do that now. And we're now ready to sign up for intramurals and other events through IMLeagues. So this is your home page. This is where you'll see teams listed. Anything that you register for and are involved with will show up here. We can go up to the University of Chicago to take us back to our home page. And now we're ready to register for some activities. Way to go.